Hi everyone, welcome back to Equipoise Classes. हमने start किया हुआ है a new series where you guys are studying with me. So basically we are studying together. Let's study together. That is the series, and we are studying macroeconomics. So we are studying actually economics from Tamil Nadu board books, and this is not only for Tamil Nadu board, but this is for every student who has economics, be it CBSE, international schools, or you're studying for any examination, say UPSC, RBI, Indian Economic Services, any exam altogether which has economics, these videos are relevant because these will clear your concepts like anything. Because as I always say, Tamil Nadu boards have a really good quality content, and if we read that, our concepts will be clear and we'll be very thorough with everything that we do in economics. Because once the basics are clear, then there's no need of going very advanced with knowledge in any exam. You have to clear your basics, you have to interconnect the concepts, and that's it. So that is what we are doing. Yesterday, we covered what is macroeconomics, what is economics actually, how many branches economy has, and then one of the branches is macroeconomics. So, what is macroeconomics? What are the features, and what is everything? So, that is all what we are going to do. What we did yesterday, and today we are going to study economy and its types. So, I think I'll share the screen so that you know. Okay, this is where we left yesterday. So we'll continue from here that, what is economy and its types. So what is economy? The term economy has been defined by A.J. Brown. Okay, he's the person who has defined the term economy, a system by which people earn their living. Simple, a system by which people earn their living. J.R. Hicks defined it as an economy is a cooperation of producers and workers to make goods and services that satisfy the wants of the consumers. Okay. In short, an economy is referred to any system or area where economic activities are carried out. Each economy has its own character. This is very critical because each economy is having their own character. Indian economy is different. US economy may be different. Canadian, Japanese economy is different because people are different. The population is different depending if a country has demographic dividend or not. Like simple example, every economy has to decide for whom to produce, what to produce, for whom to produce, and how to produce. So Japan economy or Korean economy, who have like their age group in moving towards older age, and who has a population whose life expectancy is crossing 85 years or approximately 85 years, and our economy is having 67 point something life expectancy. We have the largest demographic dividend, so we'll think about demographic dividend. So we may produce something which is for younger population because that is the population that's going to consume more. And maybe at the same time, Korean economy will produce something. Say for example, if I were to say, in Korea or in South Korea, you will see people with age 40 plus and so young that if you compare it, compare them to me, they might even look younger than me when I am not even my 30s. So that's the thing. So India may have to produce aging creams which are suitable for them, but Korea may be producing those. Korea may focus on what to produce. If in what to produce, they will focus there. But our economy may focus on a younger age, a population which is having acne because they are the most major composition of the population. So India will think otherwise. So we have to take care. Every economy has their own character, and every economy is behaving according to their own character. All right, we can see the flowchart. So focus on the flowchart on the left side. Functioning of an economy based on activities. So growth takes place how consumption activity leads to growth, production activity leads to growth, and consumption is done for production, production is done for consumption. And what is happening if we move from lower to bottom to top? So external activities of other economies, which will supporting economic and non-economic activities of an economy. Then exchange activity will take place, and everything leads to production and consumption. So this is a very intriguing and interesting graph. In an economy, the fundamental economic activities are production and consumption. These are the two fundamental economic activities. These are two activities supported by several other activities. So there are multiple activities which are lower than these because these are the fundamental core activities. The ultimate aim of these activities is to achieve growth. The exchange activity supports the production and consumption because if you are producing, if I am producing t-shirts only for 500 people in India, so that will lead to production and consumption will happen. But if I'm producing in India, 500 units are needed, but I'm producing 1,000 units. So I'll do the exchange activity. And when I'll do the exchange activity, it will support the production and consumption, right? It may not be the fundamental activity, but it is still supporting production and consumption. So these activities are influenced by several economic and non-economic activities. The major economic activities you can see include transportation, banking, advertising, planning, government policy, and others. So these are the critical activities. So if you're producing something and consuming something, you have income, you put it in the bank, you have to transport the items, you have to advertise about them, you have to plan how to produce, how to consume. Government policies are there to intervene in the times of crisis. So these are the supporting activities. Okay, the major non-economic activities are environment, health, education, entertainment, governance, regulation, etc. These are the non-economic activities. You understand the difference between economic activities and non-economic activities. In addition to these supporting activities, external activities from other economies such as import, export, international relation, immigration, foreign investment, foreign exchange earnings, these are the external activities. All right. So if you're importing from a country, if you're exporting to that country, if immigration is happening, that somebody is coming in your country, if immigration is happening from that is you are going out from our country to some other country, foreign investment is happening, foreign exchange is taking place. So all these things are external activities. Okay, these also influence the functioning of the government. So you can understand that, not only the basic core production, so a fundamental core activity that create the base of any economy are production and consumption. All other are supporting characters. So consumption is the hero, sorry, production is the hero, consumption is the heroine. So these are the protagonists, and these are playing a major role. And every other cast, like their parents, hero heroine ke mama papa and every other thing, are supporting characters. So what are the supporting characters? Supporting characters are economic activity, non-economic activity, and external activities. There are many activities which are performing or which are doing the characters of supporting actors. Okay, economies can be classified into different types based on status of development. Status, we can classify any economy on different characters. We can say one economy is developed, underdeveloped, or undeveloped economy. According to the system of economy, we can also divide, like we can say one economy is capitalist, then other is socialistic, and other is mixed. Then scale of activities, we can say one is larger economy or one is a small economy. The nature of functioning, we can say one is static economy, that's not doing good, unke liye sab okay hai. So other is very dynamic economy. Dynamic economy, example India, you can see the stock market of India, we are very dynamic. Okay, the nature of operation, closed economy, open economy. Like one economy could be that we'll not import or not export, we'll only focus on our economy. The other can be open, dependent on foreign develop foreign FDIs. Okay, so foreign direct investments, and also dependent on many other imports and exports. So that could be open economy. Then nature of advancement, one could be a traditional economy, the other could be a modern economy. We normally say that, we are adopting trends from West. So West is a modern economy, we can say, and we are traditional economy, we could say years back. Now I don't know what is the status according to the classification of traditional versus modern. Then according to the level of national income, we can say one is a low income economy, other is a middle income economy, one is a high income economies. Okay, so these are the different kinds of classification based on which we can divide our economy. Okay, so that was it for today, and I hope you liked it. Thank you so much. If you liked it, tomorrow you'll have another video, and we'll continue from this chapter, and we'll read about economic systems. So do give me the feedback, do share the feedback, and if you need this book or if you need any help, if you need to share the feedback, the first link in the description box is of the Telegram group. You can join the Telegram group and we can connect there, and I have many PDFs uploaded there, and I keep on updating many facts there, so you can be a part of the Telegram group, and we'll happily be a bigger community. So thank you so much for supporting me and showering so much of love on Equipoise classes. I'll see you tomorrow with another video with the continuation of this part. And till then, take care, guys. And thank you so much. With that, I would want to end, and bye bye.